Now, if I was picking people from my class, I would want to be sampling without replacement. Sampling without replacement. This becomes a real important thing when we're studying probability in a later chapter. I think the next chapter. If I'm sampling without replacement, it means once we choose an individual for the sample, they won't be chosen again. They are removed from the population once you pick them. I can't give somebody an A for the semester twice, right? Okay, random number generators tend to sample with replacement, even though that number 8 on your calculator won't, if you have that option. But we have different years worth additions of calculators, so some of them do, some of them don't. So if we use a random number generator for a sample, and your calculator won't do it without replacement, it'll repeat numbers, you just got to make sure that you omit any repeated numbers. And that's just kind of common sense. Okay, so find the average of the rectangles. I'm going to bring in another sheet here. There we go. There are 100 different rectangles on this, each one with a different area. Rectangle number 1 has an area of 1. Rectangle number 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got an area of 5. Rectangle number 31 is 4 times 4. That's got an area of 16. There are 100 different rectangles here, and what we would like to do is find the average area for those rectangles, the average area. Now, we're not going to find 100 different areas and then add them and then divide by 100. That just sounds like an awful thing to do with our time. What we are going to do is take a smaller sample of this population, take the average of our sample, and use that as an estimate. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So there's your rectangles. I'll make sure and I post this on Canvas along with your notes. All right, here's what I want you to do first. Try number 1 is humanly random. So what I would like you to do is just visually take a look at your rectangles and just pick any 5 you would like. Just randomly pick 5 rectangles, find each area, add them up and divide by 5 and get an average. Just do that now.